Hey, smart people on YouTube, how's your day going? I just got one question for you. What are you currently doing right now that's gonna bring you money constantly over and over again? What are you doing right now? What are you taking the time out to do right now? It's gonna constantly bring you an income over and over and over again. Now, some say this is passive income where you put in work one time and you continue to receive the rewards and receive income from, say, you develop a course and you continue getting in payments. But, I don't really believe in passive income because I believe to really have a really good passive income, you still got to put in a little bit of work. You still have a system to where you're still getting new people in to check out your course. So you still got to put in a little bit of work. Now, maybe eventually, over a very, very long run, it will equal up to some really passive income where you're not doing nothing at all. But that's pretty difficult. That's pretty difficult. But I want to show you something that's real easy. So I wanted to show you an easy way on how you can get into this world of passive income and how I've been able to receive payments monthly from putting in work one time and constantly getting payments. So here's a great website called Skillshare.com, and pretty much with Skillshare.com you can create your own course around stuff that you're very knowledgeable in. So say you're a computer science engineer and you know coding, you know C++ or Python, and you know enough to where you could teach somebody else. Now, instead of just going to your friends and friends and friends and teaching them whoever's interested, you can develop a course and put it on Skillshare.com, and Skillshare will automatically advertise it for you with SEO and whatever capabilities they have, and you will constantly get students if your course is desirable enough, or if it's somewhat at least decently good. And Skillshare has certain guidelines and stuff that I will go through, but what I'm trying to bring here is that I'm I'm pretty sure you have something that you can develop a course around, whether it's working out, whether it's how to play chess, or maybe even how to play a video game really good if Skillshare allows it. But there's something you can do to develop a course, get it online, and start getting an extra income outside of your regular job. So let me go ahead and show you, what I've done with Skillshare.com. Click up here at Teach, and you can see classes you're teaching. Bam. Alright, and I have a beginner stock market day trading course. And it's tell you the truth, the course is not complete. It's not even that decently good. I got a lot of work to do. But I just knew I had to start somewhere. I had to start somewhere. I had to lay out a foundation to where I can get people to ask me questions on what they really have trouble with this type of, with my type of thing I'm into, stock trading. But the important thing is you have to start somewhere. So if you're making a fitness course for Skillshare.com, you just start somewhere. Don't try to make it all perfect with all the special lightings. Say that you need a 4K camera, and just start somewhere, and you let this course be a building block on keep doing it better, keep doing better. And that's what I'm doing. I'm taking down notes when I'm looking at this course, and I'm figuring out how can I make it better, and actually take someone from A to Z to how much knowledge I know. So just looking at Skillshare, you can see that I have my course all set up, some of the basic stuff that has to do with stock trading. You can make posts on here. You can do community posts. So I post on here all the time. When I'm done trading, I just post on here and tell my story of what I look for in that trade and stuff. And you can connect with your community too when you develop a course on here and you forgot to add something to your videos. You can just create a text post to get your information out, and you can send it into an email to your students. So let's look at how many students I have for this course. And when they say students, that's just like people that clicked onto the course, that actually watched a couple minutes of your course, I'm pretty sure. So these aren't like really, not all 586 of these students are actively engaged with my course. There's only like one or two, which is kind of crazy. But you can see here, total earned over time, $317. I mean, that's money I didn't have. It kind of like just came out of air after I developed the course and put it together. It's just now coming. And you can see here it breaks down. So in the beginning, you can choose to either have your course for free or you can have it for premium minutes, and that's how you get paid. So the amount of time people watch your videos is how you get paid. So say you have 1,000 minutes of watch time, and it varies different, according to Skillshare's policy. It varies different from month to month depending on how many people are coming onto the website. And so it's actually kind of confusing on how you exactly can nail down how much you're going to get paid every month. But basically 1,000 minutes equals around $80, $85 from what I've been experiencing. And you can see how many, how much minutes people have been watching. I got a nice little 200 plus minutes in one day. That's good. And you can see how many students you get per day. It gives you a little basic metrics. I actually reached out to them and said, hey, can you show me where I'm getting my traffic from? Am I getting my traffic from my Twitter? Or am I getting my traffic from, whatever? And they're just not there yet. This is a pretty new platform, but it's a great platform. If you know something that you think will benefit somebody and you can create a course around it, Skillshare is a great place to do it at. At least for your first run. Because the main goal is to develop that course and then to have it on a course hosting platform like Thinkific or Teachable, and that way you can set your own prices to for people to access your course. So as you can see here, I started off with it free. I was trying to get feedback from people, trying to see what I need to continue to work on. And after I got like 200 students, then I decided to kick on the premium. And I kicked it on the premium at the end of right before the end of the pay period. Here, probably at the 3/10, March 10th or something like that. So that's why I only got $2.40 that time. And then when it went on premium for a whole month, my first payment was $63. And then the next month was over $100. That was about 1,200 minutes right there, plus a referral fee or premium referral. Sorry. So you get with people, if you send people a link of your course and they sign up with Skillshare, say they never heard of Skillshare, and you introduce them to Skillshare and they sign up and get with their monthly sign up, which is not even that much. It's like $15 a month, and they give you 2 free months, so you can try it out and then you just cancel. So you get $10 for each referral you get, which can add up. I mean, just 10 people, that's $100, plus your premium minutes. It can add up. So the harder you work at this, the more people you get engaged with Skillshare, the more it can add up. And so, I'm just gonna put you can also have a free link. So I'm gonna put my free link, into the description so you guys can check it out and start going and start developing a course around the knowledge you have. I know you have some special knowledge that you're just ready to get out there, and I believe you can start. There's people on Skillshare that are making enough money to where they're not working a job. It's a compound effect. They got multiple courses. They're knowledgeable in multiple fields, and they're experts. Some of these are just experts in their fields, and their courses are so good and getting so much attention, they're just getting a lot of students. So, I would encourage you not to be scared. I mean, you can even look up how to develop a online course on Skillshare, and you can check out the reviews. Now, here is the drawback of Skillshare, because there's people like me, you, and other regular Joes that don't know how to properly teach, maybe for to say, or camera shy and stuff like that. So there is a lot of noise on Skillshare with a lot of not so good quality courses. So you kind of got to vet through, see how many students are actually joining a particular course, and what they actually, you can look at reviews. So let's look at this one real quick. Online t-shirt shop, and you can scroll down to the bottom. Just pause this video so it won't play. Okay, don't play. And usually there is, you can see the reviews. And right here, see how this is a nice course right here. See, it breaks down extra information on what the course is talking about, some examples it looks like, but does not seem like, where is the reviews? Oh, there you go. Click at the reviews, and bam, that's how you determine if the course is going to be worth your time or not. You know, just look at these reviews. Helpful examples, it's got 7 of them. Oh, let me pause that. Bam. Okay, clarity of instruction, 7. Exceeded expectations, 60%. You know, I would maybe look for a little bit higher exceeded expectations maybe, but you know, 60% exceeded, 30% yes. None of them said not really. It's not a bad course to start. So if you're into wanting to start your online t-shirt business, and there's hundreds and hundreds of courses on there that you can search for, you know, like online business, let's look at that. Or let's look at arts and craft, because I know there's a lot of crafty people out there. Let's look at arts and craft. And check it out. Build a fully wearable Iron Man armor. See how that is super niche right there. Super niche. Even though he doesn't have that many students going on yet, I mean, that's just super niche. He could create multiple courses on saying Iron Man or Superman, Hulk mask, whatever. You know, make a Hulk bodysuit and just make it super niche and have multiple courses. That way, you know, people can see exactly what the course is about, and he can get even more traction. You know, if someone's jumping from one course, they love his one course, they probably jump onto your other course too. So it's all about a numbers game, I see, about Skillshare. The more courses you have, the more potential income you can get. And that's what I really like about Skillshare. I mean, you know, if you're a person that wants to teach people and YouTube is just not what you're really looking for, if you just want to be like a one and done type of thing, Skillshare is a great place to start at. And just wanted to open your eyes to that. Hope you guys will check it out. I mean, at least check out something that you're interested in learning, and maybe find some value out of Skillshare. I think Skillshare is a great platform. Been using it for over a year now, and you know, what can I say? I just love the somewhat passive income that's coming in, and I think a lot of people are missing out on that, the power of the internet and how they can get out of their job just by using their internet. So check it out. Check out Skillshare. Let me know what you think about Skillshare. Tell me if you love it. Tell me if you hate it. Tell me what class or tell me what course you're thinking about creating on Skillshare, and let me know. Hope it works out great for you. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. I definitely try to post every day, and I'll see you in the next video.